Hey there, zookeepers. Here's how to add exhibits in Planet Zoo. Exhibits are different from habitats. They're smaller enclosures designed for animals like insects, spiders, snakes, lizards, and other small creatures. To build one, click the Facilities button at the bottom center of your screen. Then select Animal Exhibits from the category panel on the left. Choose the exhibit you want and place it anywhere in your zoo. Since exhibits have viewing panels on all four sides, you can surround them with paths or leave certain sides accessible depending on your layout. Next, it's time to add an animal. Click Exhibit Trading in the bottom left corner of your screen to open the Exhibit Animal Market. Browse the available animals, choose the one you want, then click Adopt and assign it to your exhibit. The animal will be transferred there immediately. Once it's settled in, click on the exhibit to adjust its settings. You can customize things like the exhibit layout, temperature, humidity, and other environmental conditions to meet the animal's welfare requirements. As your zoo grows, you can add more exhibits, group several together in a single building, or even build larger walk-through exhibits that let your guests enter and observe the animals up close. Exhibits are a great way to increase your zoo's animal variety while taking up much less space than traditional habitats. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.